Welcome to this Digital Marketing Business Masterclass. This course will teach you how to build your business online and, more importantly, how to generate an income. You will also learn how to use the BATON business and digital marketing model, one in which you can use again and again in order to increase success within your chosen business. The course is split into different parts, and at each of the different sections, they will introduce to you an action point, one in which you will need to undertake in order to move your business forward. These teachings have come from Harminder Toor and Kyle Barmer, founders of V-Street Digital. Harminder will cover the explanations and will simplify the complex subject that is digital marketing. And Kyle will cover the technical how-tos and later on will introduce to you advanced concepts part by part. Just to give you some context, Harminder Toor and Kyle Barmer, along with their other company founders, have launched several companies, are hosts of a business marketing podcast, and most importantly, they share a genuine passion to help people get their online businesses off the ground. They also introduce online marketing to offline businesses. They both share a huge entrepreneurial spirit and are teachers at their core, so don't worry, you are in safe hands. So, just to summarise, this course will take you from zero, i.e. having no customers, no revenue, and even no business, all the way to a business that has revenue and customers. By learning how to use a BATON model, you will be able to increase the chance of your business's success, and this model you can use time and time again for any chosen business. So, are you ready to learn how to start your online business and marketing course? Then let's get you started.